Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Images play an important role in web designing. Using good images in your design will make your design look awesome. So you need to use high quality images which looks really nice. Now you can ask from where we can get high quality or high resolution images. Well, I will provide you all the links of free as well as paid royalty image sites from where you can get images and you can use it in your design. Even there are some free websites from where you can get high resolution images which looks really awesome. Some of them are Pixabay, Unsplash, etc. Don't worry, as I will provide you all of these links. In our website design, we will use both free and paid images. In fact, this slider image which we have used in our design is a free image. Next, the background image which we have used in our works section is a paid image. These project images are free images, but this background is a paid image. Then for this our team section, we have used some paid images because these are faces. Well, if you are designing it for your client may have their own members, so he will provide you those images. Next comes the testimonial section. Well, here also this image is this one only, as you can notice already, and the background image is a paid image. These recent posts from blog, the images which are used in the post, these are all free images. So your design should look awesome, and without images a website design is incomplete, isn't it? So that's it for this lecture. In our next lecture, I will provide you the links of free image websites from where you can get high resolution images. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.